Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ham, equity analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Tuesday, June 24th. The stock market posted a modest loss Tuesday after a volatile trading session. A rebound in financial stocks helped partially offset some disappointment over weak consumer sentiment, falling home prices, and an earnings warning from UPS. Small cap stocks were out of favor, with the Russell 2000 index falling 1.7% compared to the S&P 500's decline of 0.3%. The financial sector settled the session with a 1.5% gain after being down as much as 2.2%. According to reports, Wachovia said it hired Goldman Sachs to, quote, perform analytics on our loans to evaluate various alternatives, end quote. Meanwhile, shares of UBS rose 7% on speculation that HSBC Holdings would make an offer to acquire UBS. Crude oil prices, up slightly today to just under $137 per barrel, are up 98% compared to 1 year ago, which is taking a toll on energy-dependent companies. UPS lowered its second quarter earnings guidance, citing the increase in fuel costs and the sluggish U.S. economy. UAL Corp, the parent company of United Airlines, is laying off 15% of its pilots and reducing its fleet by 100 aircraft. Finally, Dow Chemical is again raising prices to combat rising energy costs, with a price increase of as much as 25% slated for July. On the economic front, consumer confidence in June slipped 13% to its lowest point since 1992 after consumers were bombarded with reports of spiking food and energy costs and rising unemployment. However, these surveys do not always correlate with actual consumer spending, so Briefing.com puts more emphasis on the consumer spending report, set for release on Friday. The housing industry remains sluggish, although the rate of home price declines is slowing. The S&P Case-Shiller Index showed that home prices fell in 20 major metropolitan areas by 1.6%, the smallest drop since September. However, home prices are now down 15.2% year over year, the largest drop in the composite's 8-year history. The Fed kicked off its two-day FOMC meeting today. Investors expect that the Fed funds rate will remain unchanged, although the wording of tomorrow's directive is likely to move the market. Expect the Fed funds policy statement around 2:15 Eastern Time. I'm Jeffrey Ham for Briefing.com, and thanks for listening.